Such a cute cropped bob style to start off the video. Very cute. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Now if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending hair transformations. Next up, it looks like we have someone going shorter with the bob style. Stylist cuts the hair off. Gorgeous classic shoulder length bob. I love it. Nothing better than a nice simplistic style. So then we move on to transformation number 3. She also has some pretty long waist length hair and decided to switch things up with a bob style. Next up, we see someone with long waist length hair. And it looks like we once again have a nice bob makeover. Very cute. Stylist does do a little bit of layers to frame out the bob. Gorgeous. I love the swoop bangs. Next up, we have someone with mid-length blonde hair. And she also decided to switch things up with a shoulder length bob haircut. Face framing bangs. I really like the texture, the wavy tassel look the stylist did here. And then we see someone else with mid-back length hair. And she also decides to go shorter with a bob. So many bob hair transformations in today's video. So along with this bob haircut, she's also mixing in some color. Ooh, I love the color. Beautiful caramel, ombre, so gorgeous. All right, you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this one a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you next time.